somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be learning how to play Somewhere Over the Rainbow on ukulele. I'm super excited for this tutorial because this song is so fun to play, and it's also pretty easy because there's only 5 chords, none of them are bar chords, and you don't need a capo to play it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the chords that we need. The first chord is going to be C major. Then we have an E minor, an A minor, an F chord, then last we have a G chord. Now that we have those chords down, we can move into strumming patterns and then progressions. The strumming pattern that I like to use for the entire song is going to be down, down, up, up, down, up. So going through that on the C chord, down, down, up, down, up. A way that you can make this strumming pattern sound a little bit nicer and more dynamic is by accenting the second down strum in that pattern. What that means is you're just gonna strum that second down strum a little bit harder than the first one. For example, it'll be down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. So you can see that I'm barely strumming that first one. It's just kind of a little down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. And once you get that up to speed, it sounds so great. And the song also stays so consistent for the beat counts because you do the strumming pattern twice on every chord in the song. Now that we have that strumming pattern down, that leads us into the progressions. We're gonna start with the chorus progression, and this is what it would be. Like I said, you just go through those chords and do the strumming pattern 2 times on each one. I'll go ahead and go through that starting on C, down, down, up, down, up, E minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, F, down, down, up, down, up, C, down, down, up, G, down, down, up, A minor, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now I'll go through it with the lyrics. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, dreams really to come true. Ooh. Next we have the verse progression, which is a lot easier because it's just C, G, A minor, F. And you're gonna continue to do that same strumming pattern of down, down, up, down, up, 2 times on each chord. So going through that with the progression, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, A minor, F, down, down, up, down, up. I'll go through that with the lyrics now. Someday I'll wish upon a star Wake me up with clouds are far behind me. The trouble melts like lemon drops high above the chimney tops. That's where you'll find me. Then you'll go back into the chorus, which is the exact same thing that we did before. Oh, somewhere over the rainbow, bluebirds fly, and the dreams that you dream of, why can't I? Oh. Then you'll play the verse again, which is the same thing as the previous verse, and go back into the chorus to end the song. So it's all the same thing, you just have those two parts with the verse and the chorus, and that's all you need to know. Oh, also, for the intro and outro of the song, you can just play the chorus progression. Also, really quick, I want to highlight this ukulele that I'm playing. It's from Flight, and I love it a lot. And you guys also can get 20% off any purchase from flightmusic.com using the promo code Elise. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that link in the description because that is a great discount to take advantage of, and I highly recommend Flight's ukuleles. I play this one all the time, so I thought I would just let you guys know about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you. If it did, it'd be awesome if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're not already, because I would love to have y'all back here for another lesson with me. Anyways, don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye!